Are you a plant lover looking for the best products to enhance your gardening experience? Welcome, and thank you for joining us as we embark on a journey through a curated selection of the finest gardening tools and accessories. Our mission is to introduce you to items that are not just useful, but can truly elevate your connection with your plants and the earth. From the most comfortable waterproof shoes to the sharpest pruning shears, we've searched high and low to bring you the best in gardening gear. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tools are designed to make your gardening tasks easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. So, get ready to dig into some of the top products that are adored by plant enthusiasts around the globe. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of gardening tools and accessories that will surely upgrade your gardening experience. First on our list is the Greenworks Cordless Garden Tiller. This tool is a game changer for all gardening enthusiasts out there. Imagine a tiller that doesn't restrict your movements with a cord. Now that's freedom. The Greenworks Cordless Garden Tiller is designed to be cordless, making it easier for you to navigate around your garden. But that's not all. Its user-friendly design also makes it easy to use, even for beginners. It takes the hard work out of preparing your soil for planting. You don't have to manually turn the soil and break up clumps anymore. This tool does all that for you, saving you time and energy, and the benefits don't stop there. The Greenworks Cordless Garden Tiller also promotes healthier soil by breaking it up into finer particles, which helps your plants to grow better. So if you're looking for a tool that can help you prepare your garden soil with ease, the Greenworks Cordless Garden Tiller is a great option. Next up is the AeroGarden Indoor Hydroponic Garden. This ingenious product is a game changer for plant enthusiasts, allowing you to bring your green thumb indoors and garden all year round. Imagine the joy of growing your favorite herbs, vegetables, or flowers right inside your home, regardless of the season. The AeroGarden isn't just a planter, it's a smart garden equipped with LED lights that mimic sunlight and automatic reminders to ensure your plants get the water and plant food they need to thrive. But the benefits don't stop there. This indoor hydroponic garden is a space-saving solution perfect for city dwellers, or those with limited outdoor space. It's easy to maintain, requiring less effort than traditional gardening, yet yields a continuous harvest of fresh produce. No more trips to the store for fresh basil or mint, you can grow them right on your kitchen counter. With AeroGarden Indoor Hydroponic Garden, you can enjoy gardening and harvest fresh produce right in the comfort of your home. Moving on, we have the Sloggers Waterproof Garden Shoes. These shoes are a game changer for all gardening enthusiasts. With their waterproof design, they ensure that your feet stay dry no matter how damp the garden soil might be. But the Sloggers are more than just waterproof. They come with comfort insoles, providing exceptional support for your feet. This means you can spend hours tending to your plants without any discomfort. And let's not forget about cleanup. We all know how garden dirt can be stubborn, but with Sloggers you simply hose them off, and they're just as good as new. These shoes are more than just functional. They come in a variety of stylish designs, allowing you to express your personal style even while doing garden chores. So for those who love their plants and want to stay comfortable and stylish while caring for them, Sloggers waterproof garden shoes are a must-have. They are not only practical, but also stylish, making your gardening chores a bit more enjoyable. Last but not least is the Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. A trailblazer in the realm of gardening tools, these shears offer an impeccable blend of utility and comfort. Let's talk about the blade first. Precision ground and razor sharp, it's designed to give you a clean, healthy cut every single time. And guess what? This sharpness is long-lasting, meaning you can bid farewell to frequent blade replacements. But what's a tool without comfort, right? Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears don't disappoint here either. The handles are not just ergonomically designed, but also padded, ensuring a comfortable grip, even during those prolonged pruning sessions. Now let's touch upon the benefits. Imagine being able to prune your plants effortlessly, without straining your hands. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Well, that's precisely what these shears offer. Effortless cutting that keeps your plants healthy, and your garden looking neat. Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears make the task of pruning your plants a breeze, ensuring your garden stays neat and healthy. And there you have it. 4 must-have products for every plant lover out there. Each one of these products is designed to enhance your gardening experience, making it even more enjoyable and fulfilling. First off, we have the Greenworks Cordless Garden Tiller, a fantastic tool that combines power and convenience to make soil preparation a breeze. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and battery-powered, meaning no more tangled cords or gas fumes. Imagine how much easier your gardening tasks will be with this tool in your arsenal. Next up is the AeroGarden Indoor Hydroponic Garden, a revolutionary product that allows you to grow your favorite herbs, vegetables or flowers indoors all year round. No soil, no mess, and no green thumb required. This product takes the guesswork out of gardening, providing you with fresh produce at your fingertips. Then we have the Sloggers Waterproof Garden Shoes, the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and style. These shoes are made from 100% recyclable material and are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable, whether you're planting new seeds or pruning your roses. With these shoes, you can say goodbye to muddy footprints and hello to stylish and practical gardening footwear. And last but certainly not least, the Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. These shears are a game changer for any gardener, providing clean, precise cuts that promote healthy plant growth. Plus, they're comfortable to use and built to last, making them a worthwhile investment for any plant enthusiast. Each one of these products brings something unique to the table, enhancing your gardening experience in its own special way. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tools will make your gardening journey easier, more enjoyable, and more productive. Remember, a good gardener is always equipped with the right tools. Until next time, keep those green thumbs busy.